Good morning, New York. Today's headline, up to 1 million gallons of sewage to be released into the Hudson River each day. This is where to avoid. Boaters and especially swimmers will want to avoid part of the Hudson River in Westchester.
I find it so sad. Water used to be something that sustains us, something that we built our cities upon, but now we are so disconnected with the water. There were times where we used these waters to swim, where we used these waters to sustain life. But now, we are so far removed that there is an invisible barrier between us and the water. We pollute these waters, prohibit interaction, use them as real estate for our own advantage, and don't even dare to look in this direction. But we can make a change. I, along with a group of NYU students, wanted to make a change. We wanted to tackle this problem at the public awareness level in hopes of initiating change in the institutional level. New York City has over 520 combined sewer overflows, releasing up to 27 billion gallons of raw sewage into its waterways every year. Among many consequences, one is E. coli contamination, and today's testing methods don't deliver results for 24 hours, leaving many people exposed. So what if we could predict E. coli presence in real time? By collecting field data on water temperature and E. coli levels, we found that sudden temperature spikes are strongly correlated with bacterial presence. This gives us an early warning signal before a single lab test is run. To bring this insight to the public, we looked to the waterways themselves for a symbol. We found bladderwrack, a resilient algae native to New York's coastline that survives conditions that most organisms can't. We're using that symbol of resilience to make a living sensor that changes color to signal the predictive presence of E. coli, installed directly in the water, visible to anyone passing by. We've also built an accompanying waterfront gallery tracing the history of New York City's waterways, how they've been neglected, and how interventions like ours can begin to shift that. We believe that this is BioDesign as advocacy, a living system doing what institutions have failed to do, warn the people who needs to know. And we believe with this, we can start the change.